Well, hello, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt. Hope the final weekend of June's been a nice one for you so far. The showers and storms popping up right on schedule. Hey, let's get to it. Show you what's going on right now. We've got a little cell here over northern Tuscaloosa County. This is tracking towards the east, so if you're watching us along Highway 69 there, Wyndham Springs up towards Oakman, maybe some rain for you soon. And looks like some heavier rain just moved through Hackleburg and it's tracking towards Haleyville. Also just south of Hamilton, a nice little downpour. Little storm there hugging the Winston County line, and some rain just moved through Holly Pond there in Coleman County. That's associated with a cluster of storms. Look at all the lightning here. This just moved through Huntsville. Some dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning there. Little cell popping up around Gadsden, Odenville over in St. Clair County. And then a couple of outflow boundaries here I've been keeping an eye on over Chilton and Shelby counties. You know, a lot of times these storms in the summer, they pop up and then they quickly fall apart, and they can leave behind these little boundaries as the cool air rushes out, kind of like mini fronts. And really, that's all it can take on these summer afternoons to get a storm going. So I'd keep an eye out. Let me go ahead and show you. I kind of labeled those here on the map. You see there in Chilton County, if you're watching us around Clanton and Jemison, Alabaster, I would not be surprised if we saw a decent little storm pop up here soon with these little outflow boundaries. That's a hot one, 88 at the airport. The airport's showing mostly cloudy, but you can see from our tower camera, we got some sunshine filtering through. It is steamy out there, showing 90 degrees here on Red Mountain. Now tonight, things stay right on the summertime schedule. Looks like after sunset, the showers and storms will dissipate once we lose the heating of the day. And then tomorrow, we start off very, very warm. We've got some hot weather in the forecast for the next couple of days. We got an upper level ridge building overhead. Now, one thing you'll notice here, we'll go ahead and take you right on into Monday. You'll still see a few storms popping up during the afternoon. We just can't rule that out with this big time warmth that we're going to have over the next couple of days, but most spots will stay dry. And we're talking about highs in the mid-90s on Tuesday. We're going to have a lot more on that coming up tonight at 9 o'clock, and also a lot more on this. We could have our first tropical depression of the 2014 Atlantic hurricane season. This is east of St. Augustine. It's a borderline depression, about a 60% chance that this could be developing into a warm core low. If it becomes a depression and even a tropical storm, if we see it get to the name phase, we still have not yet named Arthur yet, so that would be the name of this system. Now, the models take this on a slow drift to the southwest and then turns the system northward. So right now, it doesn't look like this could make it into the Gulf of Mexico. But if this does become a depression, we'll see an official track from the National Hurricane Center, and we'll be sure to share that with you tonight on the news at 9 o'clock. We'll have an updated futurecast. Of course, join us later on tonight. If you have any questions about the forecast, you can find me on Facebook, Wes Wyatt Fox 6, and also join me on Twitter. You can follow me there at Wes Wyatt Weather. Have a wonderful afternoon, and be sure to join us tonight on Fox 6.